This is how I legally extract prompts from images, whether they are AI generated images or real photographs. I was scrolling through Twitter the other day and I came across these Nano Banana images, and honestly I was stunned. At this point, it's getting almost impossible to tell what's different from reality and what's AI. The realism is insane. The trick I use is exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. I downloaded every image I wanted to recreate and took the first one to Claude. The prompt basically says, vividly describe the image in detail like a developer who isn't technically inclined. That means you attach the image alongside the prompt. Claude gave me a detailed breakdown of the image. I didn't just stop there. I took it a step further and asked Claude to convert the image description into a JSON. It stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's just a clean way of structuring data so humans and machines can understand it. So I copied the JSON prompt and went straight to gemini.google.com, and because you can use Nano Banana Pro there for free. I generated the first image and it actually worked, but came out as a landscape. I opened a new chat, pasted the same prompt and added the 9:16 dimension. So once I sent that, it generated a perfect portrait version. And when you compare the original reference and the regenerated one, the character looks almost identical. That's the power of a very detailed prompt when you use the same model, in this case Nano Banana Pro. If the prompt description is close to the original, you will often get the same face, the same look, and just only minor differences. So I just repeated the same process for the rest of the images from the tweet. But I noticed something. Gemini kept giving me 1K resolution while the reference images looked closer to 4K quality. So I tried something else. I found another reference on X. I downloaded it, passed it through Claude again, the same way I did with the other image. I got my JSON prompt and went ahead to File AI. I selected Nano Banana Pro, set the output quality to 4K and used the 9:16 dimension. And the result was insanely realistic. So that's basically how I do it. Once you understand how these models work, the workflow becomes very simple. If you want to build your own SaaS MVP with AI workflows built in, something real people can use, you can reach out to us through the links below. And if you enjoy videos like these, make sure to subscribe for more.